Mastering Python dependency management is crucial for production environments. Pip Tools simplifies dependency management by generating a requirements.txt with pinned versions, ensuring consistency. Poetry offers a comprehensive approach, managing dependencies and packaging in a single tool, providing a Py project, TOML file for streamlined project configuration. Both tools enhance reliability and efficiency in modern Python development. Effective dependency management is crucial in Python development to avoid deployment issues. Simple requirements.txt files can't handle complex dependencies or ensure reproducible builds. Tools like Pip Tools and Poetry offer deterministic installations and conflict resolution, essential for maintaining stable production environments. They provide clear documentation, ensuring precise control over package versions and preventing system-wide failures. Traditional requirements.txt files lack clarity between direct and transitive dependencies, leading to version conflicts and manual updates. For instance, pinning DjangoBot 3.2 without locking SQL parse can cause unexpected failures when SQL parse updates. This results in time-consuming debugging and unstable builds, highlighting the need for automated dependency resolution and precise version control. Pip Tools enhances Pip by maintaining its workflow while ensuring deterministic builds. It separates high-level dependencies in requirements, from fully resolved lock files in requirements, txt, guaranteeing identical installs across environments. This two-file system integrates smoothly with existing workflows and continuous integration, continuous deployment pipelines, offering clarity and control absent in traditional methods. Start by defining your direct dependencies in requirements. With version constraints. Use pip compile to generate a requirements.txt, resolving all transitive dependencies. Install exact versions using pip sync, ensuring consistency. Recompile to update dependencies when necessary, maintaining a stable environment. Creating a requirements.in file involves listing direct dependencies like Django, Django REST Framework, and PsychoPG2 binary with compatible version ranges. This approach allows pip compile to intelligently resolve conflicts. Group dependencies by purpose, use version specifiers for flexibility, and keep development dependencies separate or commented for clarity. Install Pip Tools to leverage pip compile for sophisticated dependency resolution. Running pip compile on requirements. Generates a requirements.txt, listing all resolved dependencies, including transitive ones, with exact versions. Each entry is annotated, indicating whether it's a direct requirement or a dependency of another package, ensuring clarity and compatibility across your project. Advanced pip compile options enhance flexibility. Use pip compile, upgrade to update all packages, or upgrade package Django for selective updates. For multiple environments, pip compile requirements, dev.in creates distinct lock files. Enhance security with pip compile. Generate hashes, adding security hashes for supply chain verification. PipSync ensures deterministic installations by mirroring your environment to the lock file. It installs exact versions from requirements, txt, and removes unlisted packages, unlike pip install. This prevents dependency pollution, crucial for reproducible builds. Ideal for Docker and continuous integration, continuous deployment pipelines. It guarantees consistent environments across development, testing, and production. Managing multiple requirement files is crucial for organized dependency handling. Core dependencies reside in requirements.in, while development tools like PyTest and Black are in requirements, dev.in. Testing tools are in requirements test.in, and documentation tools in requirements, docs.in. Requirements dev.in can reference base requirements, ensuring consistency. Use pip compile to generate lock files, maintaining version constraints across environments. Poetry revolutionizes Python dependency management by integrating project lifecycle tasks into a single tool. Inspired by Cargo and Node Package Manager, it offers deterministic dependency resolution and a standardized project structure. Ideal for teams developing robust Python applications, Poetry has emerged as the de facto standard for modern Python project management. Poetry's advanced SAT solver ensures all dependencies are compatible, preventing runtime conflicts. The poetry.lock file guarantees reproducible installs with cryptographic security. It automatically manages virtual environments, eliminating manual virtual environment commands. Compliant with Python Enhancement Proposal 5.117, it streamlines building and packaging. Direct publishing to Python package index or private repositories is simplified with credential and version management. To install Poetry on Unix or Mac OS, use the curl command, and for Windows, use PowerShell. Verify with Poetry version. Configure with Poetry config virtual nvs.in project true. Create a new project using Poetry new my project, or initialize in an existing directory with Poetry in it. This ensures an isolated environment, avoiding system conflicts. The pyproject.toml file is crucial for managing your project's metadata and dependencies. It specifies compatible versions using the *tas symbol, ensuring stability. For instance, FastAPI is set to 0.104.0, allowing updates within the 0.104.x range. Development dependencies like PyTest and Black are listed under tool.poetry.group.dev.dependencies, ensuring a clean separation from production requirements. To add a production dependency, use Poetry add requests, which updates pyproject.toml and regenerates the lock file. For development dependencies, use Poetry add group dev pytest. Specify version constraints with Poetry add Django 4.2, 5.0. Install directly from Git with Poetry add git tps github.com user repo.git. Each command triggers Poetry's dependency resolver, ensuring compatibility. The poetry.lock file ensures reproducible builds by locking exact package versions, complete dependency trees, and cryptographic hashes. This prevents discrepancies, like unexpected bugs from version updates. Always commit Poetry, lock to version control for consistent environments across teams, ensuring production stability and identical code execution. Poetry commands streamline package management and environment setup. Use Poetry install to install dependencies from the lock file, ensuring consistency. Poetry update refreshes packages, while Poetry add and remove manage dependencies. Activate virtual environments with Poetry Shell, and build or publish projects using Poetry build and publish. These commands enhance efficiency in development workflows. Poetry's dependency groups allow precise control over installations. For instance, you can define development dependencies like PyTest, Black, and MyP, or documentation tools such as Sphinx. Use commands like Poetry install, without dev test docs, to exclude non-production dependencies, optimizing deployment by minimizing image size and security risks. PipTools relies on Pip's resolver, while Poetry uses an advanced SAT solver for dependency resolution. PipTools requires manual virtual environment management, whereas Poetry automates it. For package building and publishing, PipTools needs separate tools like Twine, but Poetry has built-in capabilities. PipTools extends Pip with minimal learning, while Poetry introduces a new paradigm. PipTools is ideal for projects with established Pip workflows, especially when enhancing continuous integration, continuous deployment pipelines without major changes. It's perfect for simple applications with straightforward dependencies, offering immediate value with minimal retraining. Teams familiar with Pip can adopt PipTools gradually, improving dependency management without disrupting existing processes. Poetry is ideal for new projects, offering a modern Python experience from the start. It excels in building libraries, simplifying packaging, versioning, and publishing to Python package index. For projects with complex dependencies, Poetry's resolver catches conflicts early. Teams adhering to Python Enhancement Proposal 5.175.18 standards will find Poetry aligns with modern Python packaging conventions. To migrate from Pip to Poetry, start by generating a Py project, TOML, using Poetry init. Transfer dependencies manually, or automate with Poetry add, cat requirements, txt. Resolve dependencies with Poetry Lock, then test by creating a fresh environment using Poetry Install. Update continuous integration, continuous deployment pipelines to use Poetry Install, and clean up old requirements, txt files. Commit lock files to version control to ensure consistent environments. Schedule regular updates to prevent technical debt. Use separate environments for development, testing, and production. Integrate security scanning tools in continuous integration, continuous deployment pipelines. Document version constraints for clarity. Always test thoroughly before deploying to catch potential issues from updates. Forgetting to lock dependencies can cause version drift. Always use pip sync or Poetry Install and enforce with pre-commit hooks. Not committing lock files leads to non-reproducible builds. Commit them to Git. Mixing pip tools and Poetry creates conflicts. Choose one. Overly strict pinning hinders updates. Pin direct dependencies wisely and update regularly. Deterministic builds are essential for reliability. Lock files solve the works on my machine issue, ensuring consistent production environments. Choose tools wisely. Pip tools for simplicity, Poetry for complex projects. Automate dependency management in continuous integration, continuous deployment pipelines. Regular updates prevent technical debt. Mastering these practices enhances productivity and reduces debugging time, allowing focus on software development.